In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your Outlook profile picture. If you want to clear the photo that appears on your Outlook account, this process is quick and straightforward. We'll be doing this directly from Outlook on the web and then confirming the removal through your Microsoft account settings. Keep in mind that changes like this can sometimes take a little time to update across all Microsoft services, so if your picture doesn't disappear immediately, that's completely normal. To get started, open Outlook and go to your mail page. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before making any changes, especially if you use multiple Microsoft accounts in the same browser. Once your inbox is open, look to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon or current profile picture. Click that profile icon once. This opens the account menu where you can access more details about your Microsoft profile. From there, click the profile area again. This second click takes you into the profile settings page where your account picture can be managed. Depending on your browser or account setup, this page may open in a new tab, so don't worry if the screen changes slightly. Once you're on the profile picture settings page, look for the option that says Remove Photo. Click on Remove Photo to begin deleting the current image from your account. This step is important because it removes the photo associated with your Microsoft profile, which is what Outlook uses for your account picture. After that, a confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to remove the photo. Click Yes to confirm. As soon as you do that, your Outlook profile picture will be removed. If you still see the old image afterward, try refreshing the page or signing out and back in again. In some cases, it may take a short while for the update to sync everywhere, especially across Outlook, Microsoft account pages, and other connected apps. And that's all there is to it. You opened Outlook Mail, selected the profile icon in the top right corner, clicked into the profile settings, chose Remove Photo, and confirmed by clicking Yes. After the change finishes syncing, your account should no longer display the old profile picture. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.